On May 11, OpenAI stopped selling tools and started sending people. Anthropic made the same move this month, meaning this is not noise. You were told AI would be software, but this is labor moving. The public price is a model fee, so the hidden price is headcount. Before this, enterprise AI still needed armies of consultants sitting inside companies. TCS and Infosys built that world where people were the product. In 2024, hiring still felt safe because clients kept asking for teams. And listen, that safety mattered to families who planned around one badge. Then the first emails arrived and the old promise cracked. Meta cut teams, then Microsoft followed, so the signal got louder. You can feel the trade now, fewer teams and more deployments. The client does not buy hours anymore, it buys the work getting done. That is why Indian IT stocks shook, because investors saw the margin risk. And this is only Act 1, because the cascade is just starting. This month, the service story becomes a layoff spreadsheet. Oracle says the number out loud. 30,000 is a small town, then Amazon matches it. 30,000 more seats stop warming. So by Q1, 78,000 people equals several stadiums of careers. And here's the part you feel only after the badge stops. The model still needs deployment. Fewer humans carry the work. That is the trade. Fewer benches, deeper access to workflows. Now the cascade moves from payroll into the IT services floor. If clients buy outcomes, the old billing math starts breaking. Because an AI native team does not need a bench pyramid. So the hidden payer becomes the junior engineer you never meet. You do not see him in the launch post, only later. The service company wins speed, while the workforce absorbs silence. And by the next act, India starts doing the math. By this week, the hidden cost reaches the services floor. Because when AI enters workflows, headcount becomes the line item. And listen, this is not only about one fired developer. It spreads through rent, schools, food, and every quiet bill. So the vendor pyramid thins from the middle first. The client still gets software, but fewer humans stay attached. That is where the lawsuit energy starts to matter. In China, a court already drew one hard line. Companies cannot simply fire workers, then point at AI. And that ruling matters because this model scales across borders. If one country pushes back, others now have a script. But until law catches up, people still leave buildings quietly. The spreadsheet calls it efficiency, but a dinner chair stays empty. So the hidden cost is not the model, it is us. So here's the twist, the AI budget did not arrive after layoffs. OpenAI launched DeployCo this week, and Anthropic had already moved first. The compute bill is $725 billion, more than 20 years of NASA's annual budget. And listen, payroll is the fastest line a CFO can shrink. 1,000 consultants once sold effort, now 5 engineers sell outcomes. That is why TCS and Infosys fell when DeployCo became real. The old deal billed people by month, the new one bills results. So the client sees savings while the vendor sees fewer seats. The engineer feels it first because her team becomes the budget buffer. Then the data center gets the money and the empty desks explain why. This is not models versus workers, it is deployment versus headcount. And if you run a business, that choice is coming to your floor. OpenAI and Anthropic call it help. Investors hear a new services empire. Next, watch who becomes the next line item.